Hey guys, Bryce here, Pure Water Systems with Ryan. What are we doing today, Rye?
We're installing some coolers for a school barbecue.
Carson City School District's got us out here. In years past, they would call and ask for bottled water donations. We were happy to oblige. They've been great customers for many, many years. This year, we are doing something a little different. We've got some bottleless filtration coolers that we're putting in just temporarily, putting 2 in the parking lot. You can see behind me, this is where the barbecue is going to be set up, and putting 1 inside where the buffet table will be. Carson City School District has made it a point to turn all of their schools into bottled water free, and the administration barbecue events are no different. So we wanted to give them a shout out and thank them very much for their business over the years, and thank them for taking all the necessary steps to be bottled water free. Thanks guys, have a good day.